Well, we are still getting sent a lot of pictures from yesterday's storm. Tony got this shot of a tree falling onto 2 cars in North Yarmouth.
The worst of it is over, and now crews are repairing roads and utility poles, which means, Keith, you know those crews are wondering what is the weather going to be like for them these next few days.
Yeah, the good news is it's been very quiet right after the storm, and today was a good day for restoration as they continue to do that. Unfortunately, as we're going to talk about in a second, still some rivers and streams rising as a delayed impact of those rainfall totals. So today, beautiful mid to upper 40s in a lot of spots, a couple low 50s out there as well. We still have these, though, flood warnings in effect for the Androscoggin and the Kennebec River. And the Androscoggin, we just got some text into the newsroom about they're asking for some evacuations in Lewiston and certain low-lying areas between 2 and 5 today, and we'll see why here. Here's the Androscoggin at Auburn, and you can see that we still have a little bit of cresting to do here. So the river's going to rise several more feet, and obviously that's going to cause additional problems, and it takes a long time to get the river to come back down below flood stage. That probably doesn't happen until Thursday afternoon. So again, there's still a little bit more water rise going on. Flood stage is 13. Right now the river's at 19 and change when we last checked. And it's not the only spot that we're watching. Kennebec River as well. It looks like it's just about at its crest position in major flood territory, though. And that one's going to decrease a little bit more sharply, but still takes until Thursday midday, if not into the afternoon, to get below flood stage. So we've got a lot of obviously water that's taking a while to get through down into the watershed here, and that's what causes that delayed crest action. Good news is we're not going to add any precipitation here over the next 6 days or so. So we're not going to have anything aggravating that problem. One thing that I am watching, though, is that it gets colder as we head into Wednesday night and Thursday. So tomorrow's another bright day, temperatures in the upper 30s or so. And as we get into Thursday and Friday, if we still have people without power, that's going to get a little dicey because high temperatures are only going to be in the upper 20s at that point, and our overnight lows will be squarely in the teens, if not single digits. So by Thursday evening, it gets very cold. That continues into Friday as well. Overall, though, as you can see, a ton of sunshine here. Our weather pattern is nice and quiet as our storm system departs. High pressure builds in. It is a bit on the cool side there Thursday and Friday. We're going to be able to recover, though, second half of the weekend, especially Sunday and into early next week, which will be Christmas Day, looks pretty good. So the only thing that really changes here, stays dry, is our temperature trend goes down Thursday and Friday, starts rising back up here Saturday afternoon, and then Sunday and Monday and Tuesday all look good to me. In fact, I put a rain shower in on Tuesday afternoon, but it may very well be Wednesday that we're looking at our next system here. No major systems in here. It starts to get a little bit warmer. What you don't see either is any snow in the forecast. And so a lot of us here are obviously going to have, I hate to say brown Christmas, but we're going to have a Christmas where we don't have snow on the ground. But I think we'll take that trade for several days to kind of clean up from this storm.
Yeah, no, for sure. Thanks, Keith. And talking about the cleanup, we're seeing what it looks like all over the state. The bridge is out in Route 149 in Strong, or I should say on Route 149 in Strong. Brad took this picture and shared it with us. Of course, if you take any weather video or pictures, please do it safely and send it to the Near Me section of our New Center Maine app.